So now we're ready to work those core muscles. I want you to grab your washcloths and we're going to do the first exercise. This is going to be a combination of fast-paced mountain climbers, and then we're going to bring our legs out to the side and work those inner and outer thigh muscles. So place 2 washcloths on the floor to act as gliders for your feet. You may have remembered this type move from 2 videos ago. We're going to do something a little bit different today. Get into the plank push-up position, and then you're going to go from mountain climbers into a side leg extension. So we're going to bring it in for 10 mountain climbers and then 10 alternating extensions. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one more time if you're brave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can get rid of those forever or for the end of the workout. Now we're going to grab the yoga mat and we're going to do a couple core or abs exercises, pardon me. And they're going to include a leg lift and then the toe touch crunch. So lay back, hands to the sides, legs extended. We're going to go for 10 reps with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now leave your legs up, place your arms extended all the way above your head, and we're going to reach up and try to touch our toes. Point your toes back towards you and reach for 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, for the cardio exercise, we're going to grab that step and we're going to do side-to-side jumps. So slide this over. And let me show you. Make sure that it's nice and secure before you jump on it. We're going to do side-to-sides for 1 minute. That's going to bring you to the end of the workout. Repeat the entire circuit 2 more times for a total of 3 times. And then you've completed the entire video for the day. Remember to keep your abs tight, your shoulders back, and your chest out. And I will see you for the last video in the series, number 12.